Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How much does it cost to install a propane generator? Based on our estimates, you can expect to pay anywhere from $7,000 to $15,000 for the generator itself, $5,250 to $11,250 for installation, $0 to $900 in electrical wiring, and $165 to $485 per year in maintenance and repair costs. How much does it cost to run a whole house generator on propane? Propane generator. A 20 kilowatt generator would burn about 3.45 gallons per hour. In the United States, the average price per gallon for propane is around $2.50, as of March 2018. The cost to run a portable generator for 24 hours would be consume about 83 gallons, costing over $200. How big of a generator do I need to run my whole house? How big of a generator do I need to run a house? With a generator rated at 5,000 to 7,500 watts, you can run even the most critical household equipment, including things such as refrigerator, freezer, well pump, and lighting circuits. A 7,500 running watt generator can run all these appliances at once.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.